Here are some useful Urdu phrases for travel. Assalamu alaikum, hello, lit. Peace be upon you, mera naam _hi. My name is _ open grazy bolt hain. Do you speak English? Mere pass _ boli na hi. I don't speak _ op mujhe _ sakt hain. Can you tell me _ kahan hi _ where is _ kitane ka hi? How much is it? Mujhe _ chahiye. I want _main _ say I /gaya I am from _main _ gumkali ye I /gaya I have come to to live / travel. Assalamu alaikum, hello, literal translation, peace be upon you, mera naam _ hi. My name is main kahan jana chata hoon. I want to go where? Kitni rupe ki hi? How much does it cost? Main vegetarian hoon. I am a vegetarian mujhe chahiye. I want main bukha hoon. I am hungry mere pass _ hi. I have mujhe _ chahiye. I need kaya ye _ hi. Is this _? Here are some common phrases in Urdu that may be helpful while traveling in Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, hello, used as a greeting mera naam, my name is. Main Lahore se hoon, I am from Lahore. Main yahan safar ka raha hoon, I am traveling here. Mujhe Lahore ke kuch ke hotels chahiye, I need some good hotels in Lahore. Mujhe Lahore ki famous jagah dikhani hai, I want to see some famous places in Lahore. Mujhe Lahore ke kuch ke restaurants chahiye, I need some good restaurants in Lahore. Main shata hoon ke mujhe Lahore ke bazarayan mine shopping karne ka mauka mile, I want the opportunity to go shopping in the markets of Lahore. Mujhe Lahore ke kuch ke masjid dikhani hai, I want to see some good mosques in Lahore. Mujhe Lahore ke kuch ke parks dikhani hai, I want to see some good parks in Lahore.